Right, just a quick video on backing up and restoring the DHCP database. So I've already just gone to the folder where all the files to do with DHCP are stored. So we've got them stored under Windows, System 32 DHCP. So the main database file is the DHCP.mdb, which is where most of the data is stored. We've got our temp one where temporary data is stored before it's written to the database. We've got our log file, which is just there. I'd have to stop the service before I did it. I've got the other logs which are there. I've got a checkpoint file just there, and I've got the 2 reserved database logs, which are just seen there. Right, there's a couple of ways of backing up and restoring. So I'm just going to click on IPv4 and I'm going to right click on the server itself and go back up, and it will ask me where I want to back it up. So I could just back it up to there, and there's already a backup there from before, on the 31st, so a few days ago. It does back itself up automatically every 60 minutes, so you don't have to worry that much. But what I might do is I might just keep it in there, and I'm just going to create a new one, give it the date, and I'm just going to back up to there. I can have a look, and it's backed up, and I can see the main database file and the other bits. When it does the backup, it stores the DHCP scopes, the reservation and active leases, the server options, the scope options, the class and reservation options, the config settings that you have configured on the DHCP server properties, and any which were stored in the registry. Right, so, and to restore it, all I do is again right click on the server and go restore, and it will ask me where from, and you just go net, and then you press OK. So that's how you do it quickly on the GUI. To do it within server core as well, I'm just getting that up. You just use the backup DHCP server command, and you just have to define the computer name, so LBDNS, and where you want it stored. So actually I'm just going to do it as a easy one, C DHCP, and I'm just going to call it today's date. And I can travel over to that. And I can just see that there's the new one which has been created. I can go into the new, and I can use the directory one just to see what's in there, and I can see it's there. If I wanted to restore it, I'd just use the restore DHCP server, and again put in the computer name and the path to which it went. Right, that's all for today on the backing up and restoring of DHCP.